Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6939. It's run from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2013. It's a 2ZR REV 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR REV 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,